Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. This is earwax removal vlog number 113. Yes, it's amazing that we've come this far, 113 of these videos. It's a lot more than I thought I'd ever actually do. Thank you for all the support. Here's my little disclaimer. What you see here is not meant to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. It is for entertainment purposes only. Now, I know you came to see me remove some wax. Here we go. Let's dive right in. This patient came in to see us. They had two hearing aids that were absolutely caked with earwax. The ear dome, as well as the inside of the hearing aid receiver, was just full. Of course, the hearing aids weren't working. And yes, before you ask, we definitely do go over proper cleaning and maintenance of hearing aids with all of our patients. This patient just either forgot or did not want to clean the hearing aids. As we look down the ear canal, we can now see the eardrum completely. However, we did see some earwax here to the left that we're going to use the curette to remove. As you notice, as the curette goes down, this patient's ear canal is a little bit wider, so I'm able to use a curette with a little bit more of a hook, a little more of a bend to it to be able to get around the corner of that patient's bend in their ear canal. As we look back in, we do see a little bit of dead skin here on the left. We're going to leave that because we have a great unobstructed view of the eardrum. On the opposite side, we see almost a complete impaction. You do see a little sliver of light, as it were, to see past that earwax down to the eardrum. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm. Keep me motivated to get this content for entertainment and education purposes put out there. Also, if you like this new format, leave a comment. All right, so that's the huge chunk that came out of the patient's ear. Let's take a look back down. Beautiful eardrum, ear canal, looks very healthy. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.